Otherwise you'll damage either the clocking, you'll throw the clocking off, or you could damage something. That's why there's these big areas here on these camshafts to actually hold while you're tightening it up. And don't use this if you buy an aftermarket cam. Use whatever clocking tool they give you. This won't work. So, and then I think that about wraps it up for now. So I know I said that twice probably already, but I'm serious this time. That about wraps it up. Hit up the comments, like, share, subscribe, all that stuff. If you so choose. Any questions, you can also throw those in the comments. I'll try to respond to them as soon as I can. And I'll see you in the next video.